Hey guys, welcome back to Keepster.com. In this tutorial, we will take a quick look at the drag and drop editor tool, focusing on the top bar, the stage, and the side menu. When creating a new product, if you prefer to go visual, you must choose Package from the drop-down menu. Otherwise, you can go hand coding by choosing other types. We will explain this mode in another video. By clicking on a package file, we enter the Visual Editor interface. We'll check it out now, starting from the toolbar on the top. Here you can find the Save button and three preview buttons. Among these three buttons, the first one opens a preview of your page on Keepster, while the second one generates a QR code in order to test your product in real time on physical mobile devices. Reflect mode allows you to get preview upon saving without refreshing the device browser. The third one provides a preview in a new browser tab where you can simulate the behavior of a page on a variety of devices, from desktop PC to laptops, tablets, and even smartphones. The animation button displays a visual tool to animate your elements using keyframes on a timeline. We will discover this interesting feature in another video tutorial. The FX button opens a panel where you can apply the logic to your project, such as dynamic SEO, page scripts, dynamic data binding, functions, behaviors, and more. We will cover this powerful feature in another tutorial. Right after the undo and redo buttons, there are some simple icons that allow you to interact with your page elements upon selection: show and hide, lock, duplicate, and delete. The Copy Format button replicates the style of a selected element to another object. Here we have a unique feature: Remove Container Restriction to Object Selection. This allows you to switch your selection mode during your work when necessary. For instance, when this feature is off, you can only select elements through the hierarchy of a document. Instead, if this feature is on, elements can be selected directly, regardless of their level in the tree structure of a document. The zoom and pan tools come in handy when you need to see a bigger picture of your page or work on details. Click and scroll horizontally to zoom in and out. Click on the lens to get back to 100% size. While the pan tool can be activated and deactivated from here, right-click and drag on page makes the process quicker and improves efficiency. The breadcrumb trail shows where you are located in the document structure, displaying the whole tree from the beginning of the document down to your selection. Clicking on elements provides quick selection among the current tree. Right below the top bar, we find the active versions of a page. When you create a new file, 3 versions are automatically generated for responsive design. These can be modified or deleted, and new ones can be easily added. This button here enables or disables the changes on all versions. This feature is extremely useful when you need to set different styles and contents among different versions of your page. When activated in yellow, all the changes to the page will be automatically applied to all versions. When deactivated, the changes will occur only on the currently selected version. The main area of the visual editor is the stage. Here is where the document's layout is displayed and where you can operate with drag and drop operations. The left and top rulers give you information about the page coordinates, the page size, and the breakpoint of the selected version for responsive design. Move this pin horizontally to test the behavior of your layout on different sizes within the defined breakpoints. Breakpoints are displayed with these pins and can be easily edited by dragging. Move this other pin vertically to simulate the page height and easily design according to the expected screen size of the target device. Here you can set the behavior of a stage to better suit your habits. By dragging from the rulers into the stage, you can set guides to assist your layout design. Now let's take a look at the sidebar. Here's where you can find all the editing tools you may need during your work. Each tab has a different purpose. adding elements, editing their styles and properties, set attributes and contents, links, actions, display and edit page structure, and responsive design versions. The content and availability of some of these tabs change according to the selected element, and this will be covered properly on a specific video tutorial. That's all for now. In this tutorial, we learned about the Keepster's Visual Editor user interface, the top bar, the stage, and the side menu. Feel free to browse around the demo projects available and experiment yourself what we have seen in this video. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, leave a comment and share. If you want, you can check our social network pages. Please find the links in the description below. See you soon on Keepster.com, and remember, quick is power!